What would you do if telling the truth could cost your job but staying silent could cost lives? For example, a junior mechanical engineer at the manufacturing plant is asked by their supervisor to alter product testing results to make faulty product appear compliant with safety regulations. If they refuse, they might face termination. The product in question is used in automobile brakes, which could endanger lives if it fails. What are the ethical issues in this case? Ethical issues is a situation or problem that requires an individual or organization to choose between alternatives that must be evaluated as right, ethical, or wrong, unethical. It often involves a decision where the options affect the well-being or others or the society as the whole. For these cases, the ethical issues is unethical practices in workplace by jeopardizing safety for corporate, creates moral conflict between them, put major risk to the public safety and add extra layer of pressure to the junior engineer to make decision. What risk does the engineer face if they refuse to alter the results? Risk is the possibility of something bad happening. Risk involves uncertainty about the effects or implications of an activity with respect to something that humans value, such as health, well-being, wealth, property, or the environment, often focusing on the negatives, undesirable consequences. As for these cases, the risk ID the engineer refuse is termination, industry blacklisting, emotional stress and legal consequences. White heavy checkmark. Why whistleblowing is important in this situation. Protecting public safety. The faulty product is part of an automobile braking system, a critical safety component. If released to the market, it could cause brake failure, leading to accidents, injuries, or lost life. Preventing organizational misconduct. Early whistleblowing can expose unethical leadership and prevent the issue from growing. It promotes a culture of accountability, where ethical employees feel empowered to speak up. Long-term trust and reputation. Whistleblowing protects the company's integrity in the long run. If the issue is covered up and later discovered, the legal, financial, and reputational damage would be far worse. What actions should the engineer take? Document everything. Keep a written record of communications, requests, and testing data. This documentation will serve as evidence if escalation becomes necessary. Report internally. Use the company's ethics hotline, HR department, or ethics committee. Follow internal reporting protocols in writing. Seek legal whistleblower protection. Depending on the country or region, whistleblower laws may protect the engineer from retaliation or wrongful dismissal. The engineer may also be entitled to anonymity or job reinstatement. Code of Ethics as a moral and legal guide. Engineering bodies like Board of Engineers Malaysia, BEM, NSPE, and IEEE require engineers to hold paramount the safety, health, and welfare of the public. Be honest and impartial in reporting data and results. This means the engineer is ethically obligated to refuse such a request and has a professional duty to report it. Whistleblower protections. Many countries, including Malaysia, have whistleblower protection acts that shield engineers from retaliation if they report unethical or illegal activities. These protections can prevent termination or legal consequences if the engineer takes a stand. Safeguarding professional integrity and licensing. Altering test results can lead to serious disciplinary actions, including being disbarred from professional practice or sued. Ethics help the engineer say no to unethical acts without risking their future career and professional license. Accountability for corporations. When engineers follow a code of ethics, it holds companies accountable. Organizations know that certified engineers can't be easily pressured into wrongdoing, which acts as a deterrent against unethical corporate behavior. Support from engineering institutions. If the engineer reports the issue, institutions like BEM may support investigations or provide resources. Ethics aren't just guidelines, they connect engineers to a community that values integrity over profit.